Hello there, so this is Kashif Mahmood and welcome back to KM Webverse. In this video I will tell you how you can integrate Opensend pixel with the Shopify store. So when we go to the Shopify app store and here we search for Opensend, and here you can see there is no app available for that. I will tell you how to install the Opensend app and set up the pixel. To install the app, you need to go to the Opensend dashboard and here you will go to integration. So first you need to make sure that you have account on opensend.com website and you have their membership. I am using the tier 1 plan. So here you can see Shopify, Opensend pixel. So here you need to click on Shopify, and here when you will go to the configuration, here you can see that Shopify app was successfully installed. So you just need to click on the install button that will be available over here, and when you will click on that, then the Opensend application will be installed on your store. So here you can see when I go to the apps, and here you can see when I open the Opensend app on my store, then it says Opensend was successfully installed to your store. So it is installed. So the app is installed, and now you can also click on this Opensend pixel and you can click on enable to enable the pixel. So that's how you can install the Opensend Shopify app and the pixel on your store. So that's it for the video. Like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.